The Speaker of the Parliament, Honorable Advocate Jacob Mdenda, together with the President of the SADC PF and fellow Speaker of Parliament attending the 55th Plenary Assembly of SADC PF, paid a courtesy call on His Excellency President Lourenço of Angola this Thursday morning. Asipeni mushe sana pina mashoko ngwa kwaiti onodo subscribe or like utina on the bell icon. Tipina nomnye kwa mchinzi. The meeting was held at the President Palace in Luanda, where discussions affirmed, among other issues, the ongoing regional cooperation and the integration efforts within the SADC community. During the courtesy call, Speaker Mdenda, in his capacity as the leader of the strategic lobbying mission team for the transformation of the SADC into a regional parliament since 2014 and as a dedicated proponent of regional integration, provided President Lourenço with a comprehensive update on the progress towards amending the SADC treaty to allow for the transformation process. The proposed amendments aim at elevating SADC PF from its current status to a fully fledged regional parliament. President Lourenço expressed his appreciation for the update and reiterated Angola's commitment to the consummation of this initiative. The President acknowledged the critical role that a regional parliament would play in promoting democracy, good governance, and socio-economic development across SADC region in a strategically consolidated manner. Honorable Mdenda vanosangana na President Lourenço veku Angola for a courtesy call. Tudzema fungiro enyu pina comment section medu musangano subscribe kulike